Alright, hi guys, welcome back. And today, what I'm gonna be showing you is how you could have caught this roughly 400 to 500 point move using motive wave volume profile. And so, first, let's start off over here. We're in pre market. And how does the market move? Well, we know that it moves in two ways. One, balance. So we have here balanced market, and this is 904. So we're expecting New York AM Open to give us a pretty big move since we've just been consolidating a lot. But basically, how you could have caught this was if you use Motive Wave. All right, there you go. All right, so basically, if you look over here, here we have this low volume node, area of low volume, and more importantly, it's a ledge, it's a cliff. There's a steep inefficiency in price here. And what we want to see here is, well, exactly what happened here, which we tapped into that, and then they give us a sharp reversal. And where did it give us a sharp reversal to? Well, to here, to this area of previous high value, another high value node. But more importantly, I'm gonna show you how you could have taken partials with this to play more safe, like over here, example. And then, yeah. So let's just keep these levels in mind really quick, actually. What's this at? 29. Wait, no, that's not right. Is it? Wait, it is. Yeah. All right. 29,252. 29,252. 29,252. So roughly around here, semi limit. And we're, well, obviously, I already know where price is going to reject off of. But theoretically, if this wasn't the case, the way I like to see it is I like to create a story. And so once price moves past a certain level, I want to classify the trade as like invalid, sort of, or at least like for my entry. And so we still have here this, which supports us, this little shelf or whatever. And you can see we rejected off perfectly. So what I would look for is the next closest shelf, probably around here, 29,208 or 29,225. So 29,225, 225. Let's just say there. And then, wait, just cancel. All right. And then for my TP, so I'm gonna show you guys how I would have taken partials here if I fucking woke up for this. But 29,497. 497, 497. Are we? I don't think it's actually gonna work like that, but I'm gonna just manually take out some contracts around here. Since trading view, replay, the paper doesn't work that well, okay. And then as you can see here though, we have our high value node, which we rejected off of, which is at, what's this at? Peak 29,691 roughly, which is like damn near to the tick. 29, 29. Honestly, just to play it safe, 29, 675. 675. 29, 675, 675. Right here. And buy stop. And boom. So basically, yeah. That's you're always gonna want to do some pre-market analysis. And honestly, I'm just it's like right here. TP right here. And boom, let's see how this shit would have played out. Or we know how it's gonna play out, but just to show you guys, we could have caught this shit. Boom, there we go. Instantly up fucking 3K. Keep in mind, this is with 6 micros. This isn't even a full mini. Oh shit. Forgot to take partials here, but you see how price kind of stalls around this area? Yeah, just keep that in mind when looking at your areas. Roses right here. Yeah. Boom, boom. And well, yeah, we could also classify this as imbalance as well. And then, no way I get edged. No way I get edged. Oh my, wait, so you swear. No way I get edged. Oh my, yo. Okay, okay. Oh my god, I was about to say. But yeah. And that's how you could have more or less top ticked that. Here, that would have given you. Yeah. And, well, yeah. That's how you could have caught that. Don't show truly is, but there's an IFEG here too. Alright, bye.